So as you probably already know, one of the things that I try to focus on with Untitled Label as well as my other YouTube channel, John Mission, is quality. That brings me to the reason why I'm making this video. I decided to step up production as I like to do and actually take advantage of the 8K capabilities of the Fujifilm X-H2 camera. So by that I mean I didn't have a laptop that I could actually use to edit in 8K. So I went ahead and purchased the MacBook Pro with the M2 Pro chip. What I'm hoping is that with this new laptop, I'm actually going to be able to edit my 8K footage, as I'm currently using a MacBook Air. I'm not actually able to edit in 8K. Some of my longer footage that are in 4K, sometimes it struggles a little bit. I have to kind of play around with the length of my videos. One thing I definitely want to do is be able to shoot in 8K no matter the length. So I think by me purchasing this new laptop, we're gonna be able to actually bring 8K footage to Untitled Label. You're probably wondering, why do I even need to shoot in 8K? For me, it's all about quality and just being able to deliver that. I don't know, it's just something about a good quality footage. I want to have a story and a message, but I also want the visuals to be there as well. With this new laptop, I think longevity wise, because I've noticed this is my third MacBook now, I'm able to hold on to these laptops and use them for a very long time. So by getting something with better specs, I'm hoping 5 years from now, this thing's still gonna be doing a good job even with the new tech that comes out. So I'm trying to future-proof my current office setup, which, by the way, there's gonna be a big change coming within the next 2 weeks or so. The other thing too is by shooting in 8K, kind of future-proofing my content. By that I mean, people used to see 480 or even 360p videos and think that was so crisp, that was so beautiful. Even if you play video games, you see how many pixels have been added to video games these days. We've come a long way from just 2D to things that look realistic, you know. That's kind of the same concept that I'm trying to, I guess, follow when it comes to making videos. 4K right now is maybe the norm. I'd say maybe 1080p for some, but eventually there will come a time where 8K is going to be the norm. So by already providing content that's in 8K, that quality, people aren't going to necessarily want to watch a, I don't know, a 720p video 5 years from now. That's just, don't take that to heart. That's just me saying something. But what I'm saying is, over time, the quality of things that you put out, content, has to stay with the time or be above it. By being able to shoot 8K, I'm actually kind of just getting ahead. I'd say my third reason for getting this new laptop is the screen resolution. So I work in a lot of sunlight often, being at the airport, really lit areas that have a lot of sunlight glare coming in. So I've noticed that even on the airplane, sometimes I have the window open, you know, but it's just places that I work that aren't necessarily in my office, where having the brighter screen, the more nits that the MacBook Pro provides, would be extremely beneficial to my workflow. Now, the last thing, this might seem kind of minute to some, but is the actual ports that are provided on the MacBook Pro versus the MacBook Air. The MacBook Air only provides you 2 USB-C ports. The MacBook Pro now comes with 3 Thunderbolt ports. You have an SD card reader, which I use very often. I usually have to have a dongle, an extra accessory that comes with my laptop whenever I'm editing videos. So that's going to be really nice. You also have HDMI in case you're just plugging into a, I don't know, a TV or something like that if you're on the go. And you also have the headphone jack, which is kind of nice. I use, you know, my AirPods, but if you need that jack, you actually have that for editing audio per se. And you also have the MagSafe charging port as well if you buy that charger or have an old charger that still works. It comes with the steel braided cable, which is nice, and it also has, oh, so it's a USB-C to the MagSafe, and it's braided. And we have a brick. I don't know what the wattage for this is. Let's find out. This is kind of neat too, because you actually have black stickers now versus the white. And I don't know if there was a time where we actually had silver stickers, but you definitely have the black stickers versus the white ones from before. That's all I'm gonna say about this video. I just wanted to kind of share this new purchase, share what I'm actually doing in the backgrounds of Untitled label. This is, again, my quest to create something that kind of ties into my passion of videography, photography. I'm taking this seriously because this is actually a business for me. So when it comes down to it, that's all I'm gonna really mention in this video. I want to be transparent with you guys in case you might be interested in doing what I'm doing. One of the things that I find rewarding for me is just sharing my experiences, things that I know, things that I've been through with others, and hoping that you learn from it or use it in some sort of way to better yourself. If you are able to do that, you like what I'm doing out here, you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. Also, if you smash that thumbs up button, it helps the channel grow as well. If you're on Instagram, make sure to follow me at Batman. I'm proud to say Untitled label is now in 8K.